the 5 vitamins that increase your erection naturally. Did you know that male sexual health is directly linked to what you eat? Although erection is a reflection of many factors, food plays a crucial role in this process. Nutritional deficiencies, especially in vitamins, can affect blood circulation and sexual performance. Today, we're going to explore how vitamins can help increase your erection naturally and effectively. Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men around the world, and the causes can range from stress to chronic diseases. However, one of the most overlooked factors is the lack of essential nutrients, such as vitamins that help the circulatory and hormonal systems function properly. Often, men try to look for quick fixes and drugs, but ignore the importance of a balanced diet. That's why focusing on a natural approach, with the use of vitamins, is a smart and healthy choice. By improving your diet and including the right nutrients, you can not only improve your sexual function, but also prevent long-term problems. In today's video, we'll understand how these vitamins work and how to incorporate them into your daily life in a practical way. Practical tips. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the production of testosterone, the male hormone responsible for libido and sexual function. A deficiency of this vitamin is directly associated with erection problems. In addition, vitamin D helps improve blood circulation, an essential factor for a healthy erection. You can get vitamin D from sun exposure and from foods such as oily fish, eggs, and mushrooms. Vitamin D supplements are also an effective option, especially during periods of low sun exposure. Vitamin E. Known for its antioxidant power, vitamin E improves blood circulation and protects blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. These benefits are essential for the blood flow needed for an erection. Vitamin E also plays an important role in sperm health and hormone production. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, avocados, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Including these foods in your diet can provide immediate benefits for your sexual health. Niacin, vitamin B3. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is famous for its ability to improve blood circulation and dilate blood vessels, facilitating the flow of blood to the penis. This helps combat erectile dysfunction and improve sexual performance. Foods such as chicken, tuna, avocado, and vegetables are excellent sources of this vitamin. Niacin can also improve cholesterol and cardiovascular health, which has a positive impact on erectile function. If you're looking for more tips and valuable information on sexual health and well-being, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and comment below with your questions or experiences. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of collagen, which strengthens blood vessels and ensures that blood flows properly to the penis during an erection. In addition, vitamin C combats oxidative stress, one of the villains of sexual health. Fruits such as oranges, kiwis, strawberries, and peppers are rich in vitamin C. Consuming these sources regularly helps improve vascular health and, consequently, erectile function. Folic acid, vitamin B9. Folic acid, or vitamin B9, is essential for producing red blood cells and improving blood circulation. Its deficiency can lead to a reduction in blood flow, which can affect erection. In addition, folic acid is important for reproductive health and increased sperm production. Foods such as leafy greens, beans, and avocados are rich in this vitamin. Incorporating them into your diet can be a simple and effective way to improve your sexual health. Common questions and answers. How can I incorporate vitamin D into my daily diet? Vitamin D can be obtained in various ways, especially through exposure to the sun. Try to expose yourself to sunlight for around 15 to 20 minutes every day, depending on your location. In addition, you can include foods rich in vitamin D in your diet, such as oily fish, salmon, sardines, eggs, and mushrooms. If necessary, you can also supplement with supplements, especially in the winter months when there is less exposure to the sun. Consulting a health professional before starting to use supplements is always recommended. If you're looking for more tips and valuable information on sexual health and well-being, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and comment below with your questions or experiences. Which foods rich in vitamin E directly help sexual health? Foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, and spinach are great sources of vitamin E. This vitamin improves blood circulation. Which is essential for a healthy erection. Consuming vitamin E also helps protect blood vessels, preventing damage to blood flow. Try to include these foods in your daily meals. In addition, the use of vegetable oils such as olive oil can also be a good way to increase your intake of this vitamin. How can niacin benefit those suffering from erection problems? Niacin, or vitamin B3, has the ability to improve blood circulation, which can be extremely beneficial for men experiencing erection problems. It works by dilating the blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow to the penis during arousal. Foods such as tuna, chicken, legumes, and avocados are rich in niacin and should be consumed regularly. This vitamin also helps control cholesterol, contributing to better cardiovascular health, which is directly linked to erectile function. How can vitamin C increase blood circulation and benefit erection? Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which strengthens blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more efficiently during erection. It also combats oxidative stress, which can damage cells and negatively affect sexual function. To get vitamin C, consume fruits such as oranges, kiwis, strawberries, and peppers. Including these foods in your daily diet can help improve vascular health and, consequently, erectile function. Where can I find foods rich in folic acid to improve my sexual health? Folic acid, or vitamin B9, can be found in foods such as leafy greens, spinach, kale, beans, lentils, and avocados. It is important for the production of red blood cells and for good blood circulation. When circulation is optimized, blood flow to the penis also improves, resulting in stronger, longer-lasting erections. In addition, folic acid helps reproductive health by promoting good sperm production. Including these foods in your diet can be an excellent way to improve your sexual health. Final tips: sexual health doesn't just depend on vitamins, but on a balanced lifestyle. Maintaining a diet rich in essential nutrients is fundamental, but it's also important to practice regular physical activity, which helps to improve circulation and reduce stress. Avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco consumption can also have a positive impact on sexual health. Remember, small adjustments can bring big results. As well as consuming vitamin-rich foods, it's essential to monitor your general well-being. Stress, lack of sleep, and anxiety are silent enemies of sexual health. Take time to relax and take care of your mind. A calm mind reflects directly on sexual function, helping to reduce erectile dysfunction and promoting stronger, longer-lasting erections. Also remember that prevention is always the best strategy. Maintaining a regular checkup and talking to a health professional about your nutritional needs can prevent many problems in the future. If you notice that problems persist, don't hesitate to seek medical help for a more in-depth assessment. If you liked these tips and want to know more about how to improve your sexual health and quality of life, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, comment on your questions, and share this video with friends who could benefit from this information. Together, we can promote lasting well-being.